Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all present here. Avadhnama Group of Publication is celebrating its journey of 23 years this Foundation Day, and I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First and foremost, I would like to thank our chief guest, Mr. Ashish Patel, Cabinet Minister, UP Government. His very presence, in spite of his extremely busy schedule, is the reflection of the importance that is attached to his commitment. We are all inspired by your gracious presence. I would like to take the moment to express my heartfelt thanks to our special guests, Mr. Ali Abbas Saab, ADCP, Mr. Khwaja Faizi Yunus from Aram Degree College, who took out time from the busy schedule to be with us today. We are truly fortunate to have had the opportunity to hear you and your valuable thoughts. My heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Ammar Rizvi, our guest of honor, Professor Sabira Habib, who has conducted the program, Professor Sharib Rudolvi, who has presided over this program, for their stewardship, support, vision, and commitment. They are the three integral pillars without whose guidance and support we can't imagine conducting a program like this. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the awardees who have showed excellence in their field of work and inshallah will continue to do so. We are very grateful to all the journalists from different districts who stood by us through thick and thin. I must mention my deep sense of appreciation for the efforts put in by the management and office staff of Avadhnama. They worked tirelessly day and night to make this program a success. They've been our family for almost 23 years. They were there to stand by the man who laid the foundation of Avadhnama, Mr. Waqar Rizvi, and they are still there to stand by the woman who had the courage to take it all forward, Mrs. Taqdees Fatima Rizvi. Last but not the least, I want to express my gratitude to the wonderful audience for joining us this evening. Your support and encouragement mean the world to us. Once again, thank you for all your attention.